Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a little sparrow named Sammy. Sammy was known for his cheerful chirping and kind heart. He always went out of his way to help others, whether they were his fellow birds or other woodland creatures. One sunny morning, as Sammy was hopping from tree to tree, he noticed a family of rabbits struggling to build their burrow. They were tired and overwhelmed with the task. Sammy flew down and asked, "Can I help you with anything?" Quote, the rabbits looked up at the little sparrow with surprise and gratitude. The father rabbit replied, "Oh, dear Sammy, we would be so grateful if you could help us dig our burrow. It's taking us forever." Quote, without any hesitation, Sammy fluttered his wings and began to dig alongside the rabbits. His tiny beak and claws worked tirelessly, scooping out dirt and creating a cozy burrow for the family. The rabbits were amazed at Sammy's dedication and teamwork. News about Sammy's kindness spread throughout the forest, and soon enough, all the animals came to know about the helpful sparrow. They admired his selflessness and wanted to learn from him. One day, as Sammy was taking a break near a beautiful pond, he saw a young squirrel named Sally struggling to gather enough acorns for winter. Sally was small and couldn't reach the higher branches where the juiciest acorns hung. Sammy flew over to her and asked, "Sally, would you like some help gathering acorns?" Quote, Sally looked up at Sammy with grateful eyes and nodded. Together, they collected an abundant supply of acorns. Sally couldn't believe how much Sammy cared for others, even though he was just a little bird. As time passed, Sammy's acts of kindness continued to inspire everyone in the forest. Animals started helping each other and spreading love and compassion. The forest became a harmonious place where everyone lived in peace and harmony. The moral of this story is that kindness, no matter how small, can have a huge impact on others. Just like Sammy, we should always be ready to lend a helping hand and show compassion to those in need. Even the tiniest acts of kindness can make the world a better place. So, let's remember Sammy, the little sparrow, and strive to be kind, helpful, and caring towards one another.